નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Class 4 Maths Chapter number 1 Building with Bricks. Children, we had already learned about introduction of bricks, different types of wall pattern and floor patterns, different types of Jali Jarukha patterns, story of Jagriti School, how to draw a brick concept, right? And we also seen that a wall that will not fall, different types of wall pattern, looking through a brick jali. In this concept we learn about the jali concept. We seen two photos of Jagriti School and find out different types of jali pattern. Then next, draw jali and jarukha pattern on wall. They give us one brick wall, then we had to draw different type of jali pattern and jarukha pattern, and then bricks arrangement of libraries in Kerala, right? This concept we had already learned. At last we had learned arch and special type of arch, how they made arch on the walls and make different types of wall pattern using bricks, and the special type of arch gungat wali mehrab, right children? And then we give answer of the question which is given in your textbook. You have to write answer like this. Children, the first question was, look for other arches around you and draw them. You can draw this design, right? And whatever you want to draw, you can draw it, okay? Now in page number 9, question 1 was that, have you seen arches in a bridge? If you've seen, then write this answer. Yes, I have seen arches in a bridge. If you don't seen, then you have to write answer no, okay? The next question was, where else have you seen an arch? I have seen an arch in a tunnel. You can write your own answer also, okay? Where you have to seen any type of arch. Now next, isn't the bricks look around? The answer is yes, the jali of this window is beautiful. Yes, I have seen thin brick in some very old building and fort. Here you have to write answer. Now let's we continue our chapter number 1. Look at your textbook. Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagriti School, said that their grandfather used many different kinds of bricks. Some of these are shown in this photo. Here in this photo we can see the different types of bricks which is used by grandfather of Jamal and Kalu. Children, here in this picture we can clearly see different types of bricks, okay? Look these bricks carefully and observe it, okay? Now some question, let's read. First one, which of these bricks have curved edges? Children, here you have to look in this picture and observe it. Which brick having curved surface or edge, right? In this first brick you can see the curve, this type of curve, yes, and this brick also having curved edge, right? So the answer is first and second brick have curved edges. Now next, how many faces do you see of longest brick? Here, first of all, we have to find out which is the longest brick in this photo. Children, again look at this picture. Yes, this brick is longest brick. Now we have to decide how many faces we can see of this brick. Yes, children, we can see two faces. This one first and this one second. Very good, children. Now next, is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Children, again look at this picture. You can see any bricks having more than 6 faces? Yes, this brick having 6 faces. Children, here you have to write these 3 questions in your textbook. Bricks first and second from the top left have curved edges. The second answer, 2 faces are seen in case of the longest brick. And the third one, yes, there is a brick having more than 6 faces. It has broken part which increase the number of faces. Okay. Next, find out the size of brick. Children, first of all we have to check and measure the size of brick. Okay. Now look at this picture. How long is it and how wide is it? Children, here they give us 2 pictures of bricks. Here we have to find out how long the bricks and how wide the bricks. So here you have to measure the brick with using the scale and you have to write answer. Here the height of this brick near about 9 inches and the bricks wide approximately 4.5 inches. You can see in this picture. Okay, and you have to take your own brick and you have to measure it and write down the answer. How high it is. Here you have to measure the brick. How high the brick. Okay, here in this photo you can see the height of the brick. Here they measure the brick of height using the scale. The answer is near about 7 centimeter approximately. Okay, children, you can measure it yourself. Now here they asking us question. Have you seen bricks of different sizes? Yes, I seen. If you don't seen, then you have to write answer. I didn't seen bricks of different sizes. Okay. Now next, take one brick and measure it. Here you have to take one brick which is available in your area near your house. Now you have to write answer. How long is it? How wide is it? And how high is it? You can measure the brick with using the scale. Now next question. Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many bricks will she need to put in a line? Here Munia wants to make a wall which is 1 meter long. She have to use brick for it. How many bricks she needs? It's more than 4 bricks. Okay, children, minimum she have to use 4 bricks for a wall which is 1 meter long. Okay. Now next, bricks and bricks, hot and fresh. Here first of all we have to know about kiln. What is a brick kiln? Let's we understand. Brick kiln is the place where bricks are baked and made and mass of bricks are kept. Children, brick kiln is one type of place where bricks are made and many large amount of bricks are kept in this place. Okay. Look at this picture. This is the picture of chimney which is available near a brick kiln. Okay. Ganesh and Sahiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. Here they asking us one question. Let's we read. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it here they asking us? In this picture we can see the photograph of chimney, right? And we have to decide how long is it, right? Approximately about 50 meters long, because the chimney is too much long. You can see clearly in this picture. Okay, children? Children, before continue this chapter, we have to learn about how to make bricks. It means process of making a brick. Okay. So first of all, in this process we have to take mud. Okay. In this picture we can see the mud on this land. Okay. Now next, dug the mud. In this picture we can clearly see the people are dug the mud and mix the water. Okay. Now the third step, we have to put this mud in the molds. Okay, children? In this picture we can clearly see this man is putting the mud into mold, and this picture we can see the man which take the mold and make the shape of brick. Okay, children? After putting the bricks in the mold, our bricks are ready. We have to bake it and it is ready. Here in this picture we can see the bricks. Large number of bricks are there in this picture. Okay, children? So I hope you all understand the concept how bricks are made. Now we will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you for joining us.